Okay, so good day class. So our subject for today is differential calculus and our topic for today will be derivatives of logarithmic function and derivative of exponential functions. Okay, so dito madali lang naman to, no? Basta kabisado nyo lang yung kanilang mga formulas. Okay, so dito muna tayo sa logarithmic function. So kapag may nakita kayong log u to the base a, ang derivative lang naman yan is du all over u, multiply natin sa ln a. And kapag naman natural logarithmic ang nakita nyo or ln, so ln u is equals to du over u. Ganun lang kasimple. So yung du, alam nyo naman, yun yung derivative lang ng u. For exponential function, so kapag may nakita kayong a, let's say yung a natin is constant value na meron siyang exponent na u, na expression, equal lang yan sa a raised to u, multiply natin sa ln a du. So parang kokopyahin nyo lang yung a raised to u, sasamahan lang natin ng ln a du. And kapag naman e yung nakita nyo o yung Euler's number, so e raised to u is equal lang naman yan sa e raised to u du. Okay, so yan lang yung ating tatandaang formula for our topic for today. Okay, so try natin mag-solve. Okay, so for our first problem, y is equal to log 5, y is equal to log 4x squared to the base 5. Okay, di ba ang derivative ng logarithmic is, balikan lang natin na, ayan. So log a u is equals to du all over u ln a. So, kailangan lang natin consider dito kung ano yung magiging u, ano yung a, at saka yung du. So, di ba yung a natin, yun yung kanyang base, equal yan sa 5. Yung u naman natin is yung 4x squared. So, ano yung du? So, yung derivative lang yun ng u na 8x. Okay? So, therefore, so y prime, kasi derivative ng y is y prime. So, ano yung log 5? So, 4x squared. So, bali magiging du, na ang du natin ay 8x all over u, 4x squared, ln, ano yung a natin is 5. Okay, so dito, pwede natin cancel yung x. Ito, magiging x na lang yan. Itong 8, magiging 2, and then cancel yung 4. So, therefore, ang y prime natin will be 2 over x ln 5. So, that's our final answer. O, diba? Simple lang. Madali lang, no? Basta kabisado yung formula. Okay, isa pa. Okay, number 2, y is equals to log 6x squared plus 10 to the base 4. Okay, so ganun pa rin. Logarithmic pa rin tayo. So, consider natin muna kung ano yung a, which is yung 4. Yung u natin, 6x squared plus 10. And then yung ating du is just 12x. Okay, yan like natin consider for logarithmic. So, therefore, y prime is equals to du na 12x all over 6x squared. So, u tayo, no? So, lagyan natin ng parenthesis. Huwag kakalimutan, kapag expression yan, plus 10 ln 4. Okay, hindi natin pwedeng cancel yung 12, neither yung x bawal, okay? Kasi naka-expression yung 6x squared plus 10. Pero kung mapapansin natin, yung 12, yung 6 at 10 ay divisible lahat yan sa 2. So, pwede natin i-cancel to. Ito magiging 6. Yung 6 ay magiging 3 at yung 10 magiging 5. Divide natin lahat sa 2. Yung 4 hindi na natin i-divide kasi nakapaloob lang yan kay ln. So, bali, 6x all over 3x squared plus 5, huwag kalimutan ng parenthesis, ln 4. So, final answer. Diba? Wala namang mahirap. So, dito tayo sa number 3. y is equals to e raised to 3x squared. Okay, tandaan natin, ang derivative ng e raised to u, since naka-Euler's number tayo, o yung e, diba, e raised to u, multiply lang natin sa du. O, sasamahan lang natin ng du. Ano ba yung magiging u natin dito sa ating equation? Diba yung mga 3, so yung 3x squared, diba? Kasi yun yung exponent ng e. So, ano yung du? So, du is 6x, kasi derivative ng 3x squared. Okay? So, therefore, y prime is equals to e raised to u na 3x squared. Multiply natin sa du na 6x. O, ganun lang. Wala tayong sisimplify. So, therefore, ilagay na lang natin sa unahan yung 6x. So, 6x e raised to 3x squared. So, final answer. Ay, sorry. Final answer. Ayan. Okay? So, wala namang mahirap, no? So, proceed tayo ulit sa number 4. Okay, so, y is equals to ln of 7x squared minus 3x plus 5. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? Diba? Pag nakita nyo yung ln o natural logarithmic o ln u, di ba ang derivative niyan is du over u lang. Paano gagawin? Kunin lang natin yung magiging u and yung du. Di ba ang u natin, yung nakapaloob kay ln, na 7x squared minus 3x plus 5. So, ano yung magiging du? So, 14x minus 3. So, ano yung ln natin? So, y prime is equals to du na 14x minus 3 all over 7x squared minus 3x plus 5. So, I don't think kaya natin simplify yan. So, yan ay magiging final answer. Bakit itong box natin? Huwag ko na yan. Okay, so yan yung ating final answer. Sige, tuloy na natin. Problem number 5. Y is equals to ln of 4x squared minus 2x plus 10 cubed. Paano gagawin dito? So, ganoon lang din. Kunin natin yung u na 4x squared minus 2x plus 10 cubed. Ano yung du? Ano gagawin natin dyan? E di chain rule lang, di ba? Kasi may exponent yung ating equation or expression. So, therefore, 3, multiply natin sa 4x squared minus 2x plus 10. Squared na lang yan. Multiply natin sa du ng loob na 8x minus 2. So, therefore, pag sinimplify yan, magiging 24x minus 6. Multiply lang natin sa 3. O, times 4x squared minus 2x plus 10 squared. So, ano yung magiging derivative niyan? So, du na 24x minus 6 times 4x squared minus 2x plus 10 squared all over yung du na, yung u na 4x squared minus 2x plus 10 cube. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, same sila ng 4x squared minus 2x plus 10. Pwede natin i-cancel tong buo na to. Ito, isa yung matitira. So, therefore, y prime is equals to 24x minus 6 all over 4x squared minus 2x plus 10. Pero, kung may mapapansin kayo, lahat ng ating constant is divisible sa 2. So, I think pwede natin siya i-divide both sides sa 2, no? So, para ma-simplify natin, it will be 12x minus 3 all over 2x squared minus x plus 5. So, that's our final answer. Diba? Madali lang naman. Ito, isa to sa madadaling topic natin. Sige, doon na tayo sa problem number 6. Yan. Mukhang mahirap lang to, pero madali lang din to. Paano kapag y is equals to ln of square root of 5x squared minus 6? Ganun lang din. Du over u, kunin lang natin yung u. Yung u natin, sabihin na natin na square root of 5x squared minus 6. We all know equal yan sa 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1 half. Para madali natin kunin yung du na equal yan sa 1 half of 5x squared minus 6 raised to negative 1 half. Imumultiply lang natin sa 10x. Kasi derivative ng 5x squared minus 6. So, pwede natin cancel yung 2. Ito magiging 5x na lang. Tapos yung ating naka-raise na negative 1 half, ibaba na natin para positive 1 half, no? So, therefore, ang du natin is 5x over square root, kasi ibababa natin, magiging positive 1 half of 5x minus 6. So, kunin natin derivative. So, y prime is equals to du na 5x all over, balik ko muna sa 1 half para mas madali. 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1 half. Di pa naman ito yung final answer natin. All over u na yung square root of 5x squared minus 6 na equal din yan sa 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1 half. So, ang gawin natin dito, cross multiply lang natin, no? Over 1 tayo, and then cross multiply. Para mawala yung denominator sa numerator. So, 5x times 1, it's just 5x. Itong 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1 half, i-multiply natin sa 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1 half. So, di ba pag ganyan, mag-a-add lang yung exponent. 1 half plus 1 half is just 1. So, bali magiging answer natin is 5x squared minus 6 raised to 1. So, hindi ko na ilalagay. So, wala na tayo simplify dyan. Yan na yung ating final answer. Kuha? Sana, no? Tuloy pa natin. 7. So, paano kapag y is equals to 3 raised to x cubed? Ano yan? Yung 3 natin constant, no? So, lalabas dyan. Yan yung ay yung a raised to u. Na di ba ang derivative ng a raised to u is a raised to u ln a du. Tama ba? Ayan. A raised to u ln a du. So, ano yung a natin dito? Siyempre, yung constant na 3. Yung u, yung x cubed. Ano yung du? 3x squared. Diba? Walang mahirap. So, y prime is equals to a raised to u. So, a raised to u ln a na ano yung a? 3. Multiply natin sa du na 3x squared. So, ito, lagay na lang natin sa unahan. So, bali, 3x squared times natin sa 3x raised to 3 o cube ln 3. So, final answer. So, basta kabisado nyo yung formula, madali lang siya. Isa pa, tuloy na natin sa last two problems. Y is equals to logarithmic of x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 to the base 5. Balik tayo sa logarithmic, no? So, di ba, kung nare-recall nyo, log q to the base a is du all over u ln a. So, ano ba yung u natin dito? It is just x plus 1 over x squared plus 1. So, paano natin kukunin yung du? Fraction yan, di ba? So, di ba, anong ginagawa pag fraction? Quotient rule. So, I think naituro ko na yung quotient rule before. So, shortcutin na lang natin to. Diba? V du minus u dv over v squared. So, v du minus u dv over v squared. Simplify natin. X squared minus 1 minus 2x squared minus 2x over x squared plus 1 squared. So, ano pa ito pag sinimplify? So, bali magiging negative x squared kasi x squared minus 2x squared. So, negative x squared na lang yan. Minus 2x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 squared. Simplify. Or let's say, kunin natin yung derivative. Diba? du, which is itong negative x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x squared plus 1 squared. All over u. Ano ba yung u natin? Itong x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 ln of a. Tama? Ano ba yung a natin? Yung base na 5. Okay, so simplify natin. Cross multiply lang tayo dito sa ating equations. So bali y prime is equals to itong negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. Imumultiply lang natin sa x squared plus 1. So x squared plus 1 all over, doon tayo sa x squared plus 1 na naka-squared, multiply natin sa x plus 1. O, saka isama natin yung ln 5 sa ilalim. O, kung mapapansin nyo, parehong may x squared plus 1. Cancel natin to. Ito, maging isa lang siya. Simplify lang natin. So, y prime is equals to negative x squared minus 2x plus 1. Ito, factor natin o distribute. So, bali magiging x cube plus x squared plus x plus 1. Tama ba? Tama naman siguro. ln 5. And that is our final answer. O, di ba madali lang? Doon tayo sa last problem. Dito naman tayo sa y is equals to ln of x squared plus 2 all over x plus 4. So, di ba u natin dyan, yung x squared plus 2 all over x plus 4. Eh, di ba kapag ln, ang kailangan lang natin dito is du at saka yung u. Kasi ang derivative ng ln u is du over u lang. So, ang u natin is x squared plus 2 all over x plus 4. Paano natin kunin du? So, ganun din, di ba? Quotient rule lang. So, v du, ano yung du natin? 2x, no? Minus u na x squared plus 2, dv na 1. Over x plus 4 squared. Simplify, multiply natin sa 2x. So, 2x squared plus 8x minus x squared minus 2 over x plus 4 squared. Simplify pa natin. So, ano yan? Pag sinimplify, so, bali x squared na lang to plus 8x minus 2 over x plus 4 squared. So, kopyahin lang natin. So, para makuha natin yung y prime na du, which is x squared plus 8x minus 2 over x plus 4 squared all over du na u na x squared plus 2 all over x plus 4. Cross multiply. Y prime is equals to x squared plus 8x minus 2 times natin sa x plus 4 all over itong x plus 4 squared times natin sa x squared plus 2. So, makakancel na dito yung x plus 4, tapos x plus 4 lang matitira dyan. So, therefore, ang ating y prime is x squared plus 8x minus 2. Ito, distribute lang natin na x cubed plus 2x plus 4x squared plus 8. And that is our final answer. Ayan. So, ganyan lang kasimple yung derivative of logarithmic and exponential function. I hope na gets nyo, no? So, that concludes our topic for today. So, thank you for listening.